Longhorns, this is Miss Rojas. I wanted to show you how to use a program called Audacity, which I've been using for years. It's a music sound editing program. So if you're doing the talent show and you need your song to be a little shorter, here are a couple of ways you can do that. Ready? First thing I want to do is open my Audacity program. It's got blue headphones and a little yellow and red sound wave. And I'm just going to drag my little icon over here. Second thing you need is the song. I'm going to use One Republic Counting Stars, and this is a karaoke version, so there's no main lead singer. As you can see, the song is 4 minutes and 15 seconds, which is way too long for this elementary talent show. So the first thing I like to do is see if the 2-minute mark has a place that sounds good to stop right there. So right before the second verse starts, that would be a good place to stop. I did hear a little, so right before all of the clap, 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 I can click here, and I'm just going to drag this to the side. You can see it's selecting all of the audio wave files from the rest of the song, and I can delete them. So now this might be a little abrupt, so let's see what that sounds like. Okay, so it's a little bit abrupt. So one way that I can counteract that is to highlight just the end of the song, and I go to Effects and I click Fade Out. So it'll just make the music get gradually quieter. Still a little abrupt. I can repeat that effect and see if it. I like that. Hopefully that works for you. I would go to the file and click Export, and I can just click here, and I'm going to change the name to Counting Stars Shorter. That would be the sound file that I send to Ms. Rojas. That's me. You would send that to my email, emanueli.rojas-calles@nisd.net. I included that in the permission slip that I sent home, and I'll also be sending a link to the online form to everybody's email, so you can just click on that if you want to watch this video again. Please let me know if you have questions. Unfortunately, I don't have the ability or time to edit every kid's song, so I do leave it to you to kind of work that out, but I hope this tutorial kind of makes you feel like you could figure it out, and I am so excited to hear everybody's talents.